Good night. Say good night. Kelly, say good night. Good night. You went there? Tomorrow. You can go swim tomorrow. May malapit pang kindergarten. May royal chess. Ano to, mahal ko? Trainingan ba to ng chess? Tsaka maliwanag naman. Magturo ka ng chess, ha? Sino ba magaling sa chess sa inyo? Dito po ang aming new house. Kelly, where's your new house? Where is your new house here? Oh, eto malapit na kinder mo, anak. After niyang mapulang Christmas light na yan. Diyan ba? Dito na po kami. Let's go. Diyan na lang. Okay, dito na lang natin. Para diyan mo iaano lahat. Let's go. Get inside. Here, Kelly. Here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. First floor. Yan, first floor.